Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video, just kind of let you know about how a few things are going to be working for the next little bit. First thing is turning in assignments. So I didn't ever finish checking off the end of Chapter 5's Part B, I think. It was the one on like the not on white paper. So if you finish those assignments, just go into that assignment on Canvas now and just type in a little text box that tells me that you finished them, or which ones you finished or whatever, and I'll put a score in on that. And then same thing for Chapter 6 that we're working on now. Once you finish all of the assignments, or as many as you're planning to finish, turn in a little text box telling me what you finished, and I will get you a score on those as well. We probably won't finish up with Chapter 6 till like end of next week, beginning of the week after that. So no pressure to try and get it done quickly. Just let me know once you do have it finished. Also, I do need to hear from you guys at least probably twice a week. So if you haven't had any questions and you're just feeling good about things and you're watching the videos, post something to a discussion, send me an email, something just letting me know that you're getting this stuff, that you're seeing it, that you're doing it, and so that I can just kind of keep track of the fact of who's doing what, and I can start calling people if they're not getting anything done. I opened up your quiz for Chapter 6. It closes next Friday, the 27th, at midnight, so you've got a week to do that. And you can use the method that I taught you earlier this week, or I'm going to post another video today with another method you can use for some of the questions on that mastery check. Or not that mastery check. This isn't the mastery check class. On that quiz. The other thing is extra credit. I have your extra credit assignment posted now. So I'm just going to have you guys plan on making a video for your extra credit assignment. If we come back to school and you can show it to me in person, that's great too. But for now, just plan on making your extra credit assignment and then posting a video. So I just pulled this one out of the box of old ones. This is Mrs. Watcott's sister's and one of her friends. Anyway, so this is their extra credit assignment. I'm just going to do an example of how to do your extra credit assignment. Your extra credit assignment video, you can read the instructions, kind of know how to do something like this. You're going to create a base by different equations, figure out the base, and then you'll have to cut that base out of a piece of cardboard, and then you're going to stack whatever shape you decide onto the cardboard with a bunch of other pieces of cardboard and make your thing, okay? And so in your video, you just need to be like, hey, this is me and whoever else is with you, or if you worked on it together but only one of you is making the video or whatever, names of all the people who are in the extra credit project together, and the date. So this one would be Jaquel and Jacqueline made this, and they made it on March 20th. And so then the equations that they used were, they used a negative cosine of x for this piece, and they used 1/12 x squared minus 5 for this piece. So it's the area between those two curves is the base of their shape. They used semicircular cross sections, so that's what they have stacked here. All of these little pieces glued on the top are semicircles. So the integral that they set up for finding the volume was the definite integral from negative 3.25 to positive 3.25 of negative cosine of x minus 1/12 x squared minus 5, and then all of that squared. So that was their equation, and then by solving that, they were able to get the volume of this to be 57.921. And then that's it. That's all you got to do for your extra credit video. Once you've actually made your extra credit piece and done all the work and the math. If you wanted to actually show the equations, that would be great. Usually I just have you write all the information I just said down on the bottom. That's what this has. But since you're not necessarily going to be turning it in, there's their equations, semicircles, integral that they use to calculate the volume, and then the actual volume. Right there and both places there. So, that's it. That's what you have to do for your extra credit assignment. So you guys can be working on that over the next little bit. as well. And then the last announcement thing is just that we're having an online chat on Monday. I invited you through your school Gmail account. There'll be a link in that email. It's already there. Just click on that link to get into the chat. There's also a phone number there if you want to just call in and do a voice call. If you can't make it to that live chat, that'll be okay. But if you can, it would be great for you to come on. I'm going to answer some homework questions. So any homework questions, bring those. Make sure you have those for the online chat, the video call. And then just kind of talk about a few other things there as well. So hopefully things are going great. And I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully.